and not a little surprised. So there's my review of the new upgraded 2.0 T008K. Now, does anybody want to have a look on the inside? Let's open it up, get my little monocle out. Let's have a look on the inside. Just going to unscrew these. Not too tight, that's good. Don't need to be that tight, really. It's very exciting, isn't it? Right, come on. Let's be having you. All right, so we'll look at the inside of this. I don't know if you can, how much of this you can see. So it looks like it's been tuned by machine, not by hand, but a lot of effort has gone into the tuning of that. You can see it's each reed has been tuned differently. How close can I get? Can I get that in focus? Let's see. Let me try going in. Can't let. How many screws do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they're just tapped into from one plate to the other. So it's the sandwich style, not the recess style. The comb is very nice. That's very different. It almost looks like a custom comb. Okay, very impressive. And the reed cover plates, they're thick. So that's good. So there's my review of the new upgraded 2.0 T008K, or I think it's just called the 008K from Easttop. And I'm highly impressed and not a little surprised. So I certainly will be recommending these to my students. Definitely worth a look. Okay, thank you very much.